Hello and welcome to this session. Today, we will explore how to plan a practical investigation in biology. Get ready to begin your journey into scientific discovery as you learn to design a clear, methodical, and well-researched investigation. The unit focuses on planning a biology investigation. It involves creating a detailed report of up to 2,000 words. This contributes to the overall diploma grading. Understanding scientific theory is crucial. The unit code is G2000133. The assignment aims to plan a scientific investigation in biology. You will demonstrate your understanding of scientific theory, develop a clear proposal with aims and hypotheses, design an appropriate methodology, show your academic research and scientific planning skills. Prepare a structured investigation planning report. Include an introduction and rationale for your investigation. Clearly, state your aims, objectives, and hypothesis. Provide a detailed research methodology. Include risk and ethical assessments, a Gantt chart, and Harvard referencing. Negotiate a suitable biological investigation topic with your tutor. Identify a clear theme and working title. Develop a rationale, aim, and objectives. Explain the theoretical context using relevant scientific concepts. This will form the basis of your investigation proposal. Identify key stages of your investigation. Produce a realistic plan showing time and resources needed. Select a suitable research methodology. Use a range of academic sources. This is crucial for your investigation plan. Explore topics like the effect of temperature on enzyme activity, investigate light intensity's impact on plant photosynthesis, study the effect of pH on enzyme reaction rates, examine antibacterial properties of natural substances, research microbial growth under different conditions. Your research should have a clear title. Begin with an introduction and scientific background. State your aim and hypothesis. Detail your methodology and experimental design. Consider risk, ethical considerations, and include references. Identify independent and dependent variables. Define your control variables. Clearly describe the experimental procedure. Explain how results will be measured. Ensure the method is repeatable and realistic. Identify hazards related to equipment or biological materials. Assess the likelihood and severity of risks. Outline control measures and safety procedures. Follow laboratory health and safety guidelines. Include full risk documentation in appendices. Consider ethical implications of the investigation. If involving humans, include informed consent. Provide a participant health checklist if needed. Ensure confidentiality and voluntary participation. Follow ethical research standards. Use textbooks, journals, and credible scientific websites. Summarize relevant scientific theories and previous research. Use Harvard referencing for in-text citations. Provide a full reference list at the end. Avoid plagiarism and acknowledge all sources. Each assignment allows one formal submission. If criteria are not met, one resubmission may be permitted. Resubmission can only achieve a pass. Tutors cannot review multiple drafts or pre-mark assignments. Submitted work must represent independent academic work. Interpret the assignment brief carefully. Use scientific theory to support the investigation. Design a realistic and logical methodology. Structure the report clearly. Use accurate Harvard referencing. A pass requires a clear investigation proposal. A merit shows strong scientific understanding and planning. A distinction involves detailed scientific theory and realistic methodology. The investigation must demonstrate accuracy and reasoning. Clear academic communication is essential. Agree on the investigation topic with your tutor early. Start literature research before designing the method. Plan the investigation stages using a Gantt chart. Keep records of all sources used. Prepare risk and ethical assessments alongside the methodology. Attend tutorials and ask specific questions. Seek clarification on command verbs like analyze or evaluate. Ask for guidance on academic structure and referencing. Use feedback from tutorials to improve your plan. Engage with support well before submission deadlines. Correct. This resource was created by Unauthorised Online. It includes third-party materials where specified. Unauthorisd's name and logos are unregistered trademarks. All rights are reserved by Unauthorisd. Reproductions must comply with the license terms. You've now learned how to plan a practical investigation in biology. From developing a proposal to considering ethics, every step is crucial. Follow these guidelines to succeed in your assignment. Should you have any questions, please contact us via WhatsApp at 07484361688. Our team will gladly support you. Thanks for your time, and see you soon!